All right, let's try this again, because I guess I had it in picture mode. 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Express package with a 3.6 cylinder V6. I was throwing out a misfire code for cylinder number 4. I had just done the spark plugs, I want to say 4 months ago, maybe 6 months ago, somewhere around there, and I ruled out the spark plugs. Was tearing it apart to see if maybe it was a bad coil or even a bad injector, or in some cases the head does go bad. So I didn't film none of this because there's plenty of videos on this on how to do it. And what I found was this bad spark plug. You can see it going in and out. It's the only one that's doing that. The little piece on the inside, I don't know what it's called. There's supposed to be a little thing like these. It's supposed to look like that. Mine does not look like that. I'm pretty sure it broke off because it started hitting this part. I think it's the electrode or something like that. So from the movement going in and out, because the cylinder's probably sucking, the piston is probably sucking it in and pushing it out, blah, blah, blah. So this is a misfire. Just, check your spark plugs before you go spending a bunch of money on injectors or coils or other things. It's an easy fix. Do it yourself. There's plenty of videos out there to help you out. Don't just watch one video, watch a couple of them. Get as much information as you can before you start doing this. Okay? Hit the like button if you liked the video, if it helped you out. Drop some comments. Let me know if you even like this type of stuff, and maybe I'll make some more videos. Thanks.